My video is about removing the ransomware called Eqew. This is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. Educational purposes. I'm trying to say it correctly so that nobody would accuse me that my video is for some other purposes. Only for the educational purposes. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. I cannot give you the promise that I will help you to do that. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open any of your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. And because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Eqew ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. And it is called like that, Eqew, because it encrypts files and also appends this Eqew extension to the file names. So it is then impossible to use the files anymore. So very soon you will see the results of the ransomware attack, and you will notice that the files are indeed no longer accessible. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom, because there is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay the ransom. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And you need to click on this Start a Scan button. Most likely in your case, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step if it is updating itself. And then after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins researching your computer. It will be initially, as I said, in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, but you can upgrade to premium to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And you can request trial, by the way. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it cannot help you to recover the files. In other words, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. But you can find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.